How to unfollow groups on Facebook app easily. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to unfollow groups on Facebook app easily. Without further ado, let's begin. First, I will launch Facebook application and make sure that you sign into your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner and from this menu bar select groups. Scroll down and you will see the gear icon at top right corner. Select that. From this option, choose the following option and here you will see all the groups that you follow on Facebook. In order to unfollow groups on Facebook app easily, you need to tap on the following button next to it. And with that, the post from this group will not appear in this feed and you have successfully unfollowed this particular group. So unfollowing groups will stop their posts from appearing in your newsfeed while you will still be a member of the group. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.